Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not uploading any videos for such a long time, but this is my Nutella Meringues video. Hope you like it. It's super easy and enjoy watching it. Okay, so you'll need 200 grams of castor sugar. Make sure you use castor sugar so that it will dissolve well in your meringue. You can use 120 grams of egg whites, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar to stabilize your meringue, and also 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor or vanilla essence to give your meringue some flavor and it smells nice. So first up, you need to whip up your egg whites to the highest speed for about 5 minutes until it reaches a soft medium peak. Yeah. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, you add in your cream of tartar. So give it a whip for about another 2 to 3 more minutes for the cream of tartar to fully dissolve in your meringue. Okay, so by this stage, your meringue should already be stiff peaked. You are now ready to add in your castor sugar. When you're adding in the castor sugar, do add it slowly, bit by bit. You can use a tablespoon until you finish up everything. So all the sugar goes in, and you will need to whip up this meringue again to the highest speed until all the sugar dissolves. So when do you stop whipping, right? You will need to feel your meringue with your fingers to make sure that there's no grains of sugar left in your meringue. Okay, so finally you add in your vanilla flavor or your vanilla essence and give it a whip about 30 seconds to 1 minute, not that long. So once combined, your meringue is pretty much ready to pipe. Okay, so once the meringue is ready, you will need to immediately pipe it. Do not leave it out for too long because your meringue might deflate. Okay, so at this stage, if you want to add in chocolate chips or cornflakes, you can add it in. You just fold in the cornflakes and chocolate chips in if you like. Just give it a quick fold and then you are ready to pipe or you are ready to scoop it. Okay, so in this case today we are doing Nutella meringue. So I'm putting in a bit of Nutella on the sides of the piping bag using an angled spatula. So you just want to get Nutella as much as possible on the sides of the piping bag so that when you pipe, each of the meringue that you pipe will get a bit of the Nutella or some of the Nutella and it will taste nice. Okay, so I do not use any piping tip when piping these meringues, but if you want, you can also use it. I recommend using number 803 to 805 open round tip. Okay, so whatever shapes or sizes of meringue that you want to pipe, you can go ahead and do that. For me, this is a nice size. You just swirl it around a bit, and then yeah, you are good to go. Also, you can use an ice cream scoop to scoop up the meringues. Okay, that will be faster and easier too. Okay, so after you pipe your meringues, you can go ahead and drizzle more Nutella on top. Do not worry, this Nutella drizzle will not burn when baking inside the oven. So this will give you a much more nicer taste. You can't go wrong with Nutella, right? So yeah, go crazy with the Nutella. Okay, so for every tray that you have piped, right, make sure you put it inside the oven immediately. Make sure your oven is already preheated to 100 degrees Celsius fan mode, and baking time takes about 1.5 hours. So make sure to rotate your trays for every half an hour, and yeah, you are done. So meringues should be crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, and make sure it is not hollow. Okay guys, good luck and happy baking. Hope you enjoy my recipe.